In today's video, I am going to teach you how to auto-refresh in Google Chrome browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, move to Extensions. Then click the option to visit the Chrome Web Store. When the Chrome Web Store opens, look for the search bar. Click inside the search bar and type Easy Auto Refresh. After typing the name, find the correct extension in the results and click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to install the extension. If that appears, approve it so the extension can be added to your browser. Once the extension has been installed, the final part is setting it up on the tab you want to refresh. Go to the page that you want Chrome to reload automatically. Then click the extensions icon near the top right area of the browser. From the list of installed extensions, select the Auto Refresh extension you just added. This will open its controls. Inside the extension, choose the timer you want to use for auto refresh. For example, you can set it to refresh after a few seconds, depending on how often you want the page to reload. A shorter timer may be helpful for pages that update frequently, while a slightly longer timer can be better if you just want occasional updates without refreshing too often. That covers everything you need to know.